Good afternoon. It's February the 25th, 2015. Time for us to wrap up our ZB or 30-year trade today. The ZB is my favorite contract because it's 31.25 a tick, and that tends to make the trades develop or last longer. So we had a great day trading today. There was 13 plus opportunities to trade. Obviously, you don't usually take all of them. The market was choppy at first, but we came in wanting to be buyers because of the 5-year auction. We expect to make 6 to 8 30-seconds on every one of our trades. Now, we don't get it on all of our trades, but we do get it often enough that this contract can actually throw off more money than the E-mini when you learn how to trade it, which is ultimately what it's all about. And it follows the fundamentals a heck of a lot better than the E-mini does. So the first trade that set up for us was right before the opening. It's our retest failure. We retest this high here, plus or minus a tick. We got a black down pointer. We got deceleration. So you're short in the 14 area, and the market eventually trades down to 2. And we expect to make 6 to 8 30-seconds, so 14 down to 2. There was a potential of 12 ticks for you on that particular trade. So you got your 6 to 8. If you chose to get out here, there's another good trade here. The software popped that S over that bar and it gave you a winner. Market rallies back up. We get a nice retest failure between this high and that high. Produces a small winner, not our 6 to 8 30-seconds, but a winner nonetheless. And now the software puts a B under that little bar right there, and the market rallies up to this high and for another winning trade. This day right here, that's a retest failure off that bar's high, so you're short when you take out that low for a winning trade. And here the software puts a B underneath that bar, and you got yourself a winning trade there. Another retest failure sets up here. The software denotes it by the green dot. If you took yourself out here, it was a winner. If you hung down here to it was a winner. If you took yourself out, the software put an S over this bar. That would have been a winner too. It put an S over that bar. That was a small winner. Then right down here, we came in this morning wanting to buy 29s to 01s. After the opening, we held at 02, we raised it to 1 to 5, but we finally get down and we make it down to the 146 area so we could get our original buy in the 1 area. And we got a triple buy bottom down here. Nice trade. Software puts a B under that bar. Nice trade. Another winning trade. Another B underneath the bar that the software does automatically for you. Another winning trade. Another B under the bar right here. Another winning trade. Another B under that bar. Another winning trade, and so on and so forth. So you actually could have traded 13 times plus, and you would have made a very, very handsome return today if you want. In fact, on that first trade there, if you didn't trade any more during the day, and if you took yourself out for 6 to 8, you made 250. If you hung around for 10, you made 312. If you hung around for 11 ticks off that, you made 337. So this is a great contract to trade. If you'd like to know more about us, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll get ideas about our software and our methodology. Further encourage you to take a look at us. We offer you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year, the 10-year note, and the E-mini. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, good trading.